Good morning, students. Now we are going to start part 3 of chapter 11, electric discharge, lightning, and thunder. You know, electric discharge refer to the flow of electricity or electric charge through a medium. The medium may be solid, liquid, or gas. When two points of different electrical potential make contact in the medium in which they are placed, it causes an electric discharge. So flow of charge between two objects in a medium when they are of different electrical potential. So potential difference must be there to the flow of electricity through the two different objects. Now lightning. Lightning is the occurrence of the natural electrical discharge of very short duration and a high voltage between a cloud and the ground or within a cloud accompanied by a bright flash is known as lightning. So flashing of light produced by a discharge of atmospheric electricity. This flashing of light caused by the passing of electricity from one cloud to another or between a cloud and the earth is the lightning. This lightning occurs with the loud sound. This loud sound or noise that comes right after lightning is known as thunder. Lightning conductor is a device that is used to protect a building from the effect of lightning. This lightning conductor is made up of thick strip of metal. The top end of lightning conductor is pointed like a sharp spike and it is fixed above the highest point of the building. This lightning conductor conducts a lightning strike from the roof of a structure by way of heavy copper or aluminium wires to rods driven into the grounds, thereby protecting the structure they are applied to form the lightning itself. Safety precautions during lightning when you are outside in the open. So first point is find indoor shelter. Get inside the nearest available hard-topped vehicle or building, keeping all windows shut and stay there for at least 30 minutes after the storm passes before returning outside. Second point, get to low ground, avoid hilltops and open areas. Third point, distance yourself from tall objects or buildings. Now safety precautions when you are indoor inside the house. First point, stay off corded phones, computers and other electrical equipments that put you in direct contact with electricity. Avoid plumbing including sink, bath and faucets. Stay away from windows and doors and stay off porches. Do not lie on concrete floors and do not lean against concrete walls. So there is some of the advantages of lightning. Lightning strike help dissolve the unusable nitrogen in water, which then creates a natural fertilizers that plants can absorb through their roots. Lightning also produces ozone, a vital gas in our atmosphere that helps shield the planet's from rays of harmful ultraviolet sunlight. Lightning also helps the earth to maintain a balance in the total electrical discharge or total electric charge contained in the atmosphere. So lightning balance the total electric charge in the atmosphere. Thank you.